Welcome back. Now that we have worked with percent grids, strip diagrams, and percent tables, we are ready to talk about percent increase and percent decrease. These ideas show up all the time in real life. Sales tax, discounts, population changes, raises, price changes, gas tank levels, and package sizes. Let's start with percent increase. If some quantity has a value that we'll call X, and it increases by a percent, what that means is that we start with X and we add a percent of X. So most of the time our original amount is 100%. So if we want to increase by 15%, we just add 15% more to get 115% of what we started with. For example, if a price increases by 15%, the new price is not just 15% of the old price. It is the original 100% plus another 15%. Now, let's talk about percent decrease. If a quantity has a value of X and it decreases by a percent, what that means is we start with X and then we subtract a percent of X. Again, most of the time the original amount is 100%. If we decrease by 15%, then we subtract 15%. That gives us 85%. So a decrease of 15% means we end up with 85% of what we started with. This is an important distinction. A 15% increase means the final amount is 115% of the original. A 15% decrease means the final amount is 85% of the original. As future teachers, one common student misconception is to focus only on the change amount and forget the original amount. For example, if something increases by 30%, the final amount is not 30%. It's 130% of the original. If something decreases by 25%, the final amount is not 25%. It's 75% of the original. Here's a helpful way to say it to students. The percent change tells us what we add or subtract. The final amount includes the original amount too. You are doing a great job building these ideas carefully. Percent change can feel tricky, but it becomes much more manageable when we keep track of the original 100%.